severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hunt County in north-central Texas, southeastern Phantom County in north-central Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Celeste, or 10 miles north of Greenville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wall City around 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Ladonia and Pecan Gap. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.